Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to answer some questions. So first, think about this. How do you feel when you are home alone at night? Do you feel relaxed? Do you feel scared? Do you like to be alone at night? What do you do if you feel sleepy in class? Maybe you chew some bubble gum. Maybe you drink some water or coffee. How do you feel when you speak English in class? What about when you speak in English with other people? What do you do when you get jealous? Do you tell the person or do you keep it to yourself? What do you do when you are nervous? Today we're talking about emotions. So, we're going to listen to an audio and we need to answer two questions. First, how did she feel when the light turned green? And why did she decide to go to a restaurant? Let's go ahead and listen.
A walk in the city. After school, I decided to take a walk in the city. I was crossing the street when the traffic light turned green and I got very scared. I ran, but the drivers were upset at me. After running, I felt very thirsty, so I drank some water. I continued walking, but after a while, I felt lonely. I didn't like being alone. So I decided to go to a restaurant so I could talk to another person. Besides, I was extremely hungry. Sadly, the waiter was very busy and he was also very nervous, so he took a long time to bring my food. After I finished eating, I walked home and felt very sleepy, so I brushed my teeth and went to sleep.
Okay, so she felt scared when the light turned green because the cars were going right at her. And she went to the restaurant because she was lonely and hungry. So, let's go to our student book page number 8, exercise 1A. We're going to match the words and the pictures. For example, if you notice this first girl, she looks quite tired, right? In this case, we're going to be matching it with letter H, sleepy. Now pause the video while you match the words. Okay, excellent. Let's go ahead and check.
1. H. Sleepy. 2.
D. Jealous.
3.
J. Upset.
4.
A. Angry.
5.
F. Nervous.
6.
B. Busy.
7.
C. Hungry.
8.
G. Scared.
9.
I. Thirsty.
10.
E. Lonely.
Okay, so if you notice in the audio, we have a small mistake. Number 6 is actually letter C, the person is hungry, and number 7 is letter B, busy. Now, you need to be careful when you're using the words upset and angry. Upset means that you are not feeling well, you're not happy. However, you are not necessarily angry. And angry is when you want to scream. Now, let's go to our workbook page number 5, exercise 1. We're going to complete this crossword puzzle with the correct emotions. We already know that number 1 is thirsty. What about the rest? Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, we're going to check in class. Now, let's work in exercise 2. Let's complete the sentences using the words in the box. For example, Miguel wants some water. He is thirsty. Pause the video while you complete the rest, please. Okay guys, once again, we're going to check in class. Finally, complete the sentences with the right emotions. Pause the video, please. Okay guys, we're going to check this and the previous activities during our class. I will see you then. Goodbye!